Hey, welcome to 4Imprint's YouTube channel.
We're here to help you find the perfect promotional products
to make your logo and you shine.
Discover product videos, trends, customer stories, and more.
All aimed at inspiring innovative marketing ideas.
Come on. Front of the cap. Stay warm with the Ben-tinted beanie from 4Imprint.
Be sure to check out our exclusive series, Fresh Finds, where our team brings you some of the latest items and we uncover unique products you may have never seen before.
And I'm Jason.
And I'm Chuck. What do you got for us?
No worries, no worries. You know, quietly like this, or you can really really go to town and crank that.
We'd love to hear from you.
Make sure to smash that like button,
Comment and subscribe.
Visit 4imprint.com to explore a full range of products, popular brands, and 4Imprint exclusives.
so you can be certain to find the right products for your next project.
Thanks for watching and welcome to the 4Imprint community.